Hey guys, today we're gonna do a little bit of simplifications, right? So when you hear the word simplification or simplifying something, it's basically writing it in the simplest form, right? Writing in the simplest form. So let's look at this particular example. What we have got is simplify simplify this algebraic fraction. Right. So our a is 5 to the 4. Y to the negative 3, f to the power of 3 over 5 squared, y to the power of 4, and f to the power of 7. So the question is to simplify this. How do we simplify this? There are a few techniques that we could do. However, if I want to clarify this topic is about index law. Index law from grade 7, 8, depending on your country or depending where you are, or depending on when you start learning them. However, there's not much stuff that are really complicated. It's just to remember those index laws. What are index laws? So, for instance, what we could have is we know that when the base is the same, a times a to the power of b times a to the power of c is the same as a to the power of b plus c, right? When the base is the same, what you do, you only add the powers, right? So this could also be something like a to the power of b is over a to the power of c is the same as a to the power of b minus c, right? So these are index laws. And there are so many of these. However, with this particular question, I think we really much need only these two. And let's see how we go with this. So if I could just rub off these ones. And so with the first one, what do we do? What I will do, there are a few ways that I could do this. However, what I will do, let's apply those index laws. So we see this, the first part is 5 to the power of 4 over 5 to the power of 2. You could break this down. And the next part is 4y to the power of 3 over y to the power of 4 times by f to the power of 3, or f cubed, over f to the power of 7. This is my first line. And my second line, what do I get? What I get is I start applying the index laws, right? So now same base is 5. And then at the top we had 4 minus 2 times y to the power of negative 3. And here, the power here at the denominator was 4, positive 4. When it goes up, it becomes negative, huh? So minus 4. And we have times f to the power of 3 minus 7. Huh? So this is my second line. Here I'm trying to apply the index law that we saw at the beginning. Alright, so my third line will be, now just evaluate this. So 5 to the power of 4 minus 2 is just positive 2 times, you don't really need the times, but you could put them if you want to. Here we have negative 3 minus 4 is negative 7, and times f to the power of 3 minus 7 is just negative 4. Right? This could also be written as 5 squared y negative 7 f to the power of negative 4. But this could be the answer. It's acceptable. However, many teachers would prefer to have the power as a positive power, right? So if the question asks you simplify this algebraic fraction and also write your final answer with positive powers, right? So if the question says such a thing, what you then do is you write 5 squared over y to the power of 7 f to the power of 4. Right? So this is acceptable answer. However, we know what is 5 squared. What is 5 squared? 5 squared is 5 times 5. And 5 times 5 is just 25. So you have 25 over y to the power of 7, f to the power of 4. And yeah, so this is your answer for this particular question. I hope it makes sense, and if you have any question, leave your comments and I will get back to you as soon as I can. And yeah, thank you.